My name is Carlos Lopez, and I'm an assistant professor of biochemistry in Vanderbilt University. So my work tries to understand how biochemical interactions in cells commit the cell to a specific outcome. So cells, the brain of the cell, if you will, is molecules, and these molecules make networks of biochemical reactions, and somehow these networks process signals that the cells feel to give an output to commit the cell to a given fate. So we try to understand how those biochemical networks process information and how they commit a cell to a given fate and how they fail in disease. So this is where we're different. We use modeling, mathematical modeling. We use computer simulation. We can gather, so right now we can gather tons of data. There's lots of data that people can generate to explore cellular processes, but then what do you do with that data? Because data is not knowledge. You have to extract knowledge from that data. So my lab uses mathematical modeling, computer simulations, and a lot of statistics analysis to extract knowledge and build mechanisms from those big data sets. As we embark on this challenge of understanding networks in biochemical processes and understanding how noise affects those networks, we're finding that that those networks respond differently given their conditions, given the environmental conditions and given the conditions in the network themselves. So one cell might respond differently than another cell to the same perturbation, even if they're sister cells. And I think that these findings will give us a better understanding of cellular processes, and they will let us kind of predict behaviors better. And I think this could have an impact across all areas of basic research, all areas of applied research, from cancer to immunology to biological engineering. I think that a lot of these foundational theories will have a lot of impact across many fields. Finding a good mentor is one of those things that really can drive your career. Very early on, I had a very good undergraduate mentor at University of Miami. He guided me very well to where I should go, or where he saw my strengths in my career. The same thing for my PhD advisor. He was very good at kind of focusing what I should do. My postdoctoral advisor, I still remember when I was at UT Austin, my advisor said, well, you know, you're not very good at math, but you're really good at biology. Why don't you go for biology? And that was the truth. I mean, I was okay with math, but it was never something that just flowed from me, you know? But I was really good at kind of bringing information together and understanding things from different perspectives. And even though that hurt a little bit because it hurt my ego, it was really good because it opened a lot of opportunities in biology that I would not have pursued otherwise.